It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, February 13th. I'm Michael Groff. A small chance of showers today and tomorrow, but overall, the week ahead looks fairly quiet until we get toward Friday and this coming weekend. Pretty good chance of rain, maybe widespread, possibly heavy rain to talk about this weekend as a major pattern change takes shape here in the Southwest. We'll talk about it as we look outside this morning. Mostly cloudy skies here in the valley just before 7 a.m. Currently, 63 degrees at Sky Harbor, a very warm start. Dew point at 44, relative humidity 52%. The winds from the west-southwest at 10, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across the area this morning, these are reminiscent of numbers we'd see in April, not February. 50s and 60s on the board this morning. Clouds moving through the state, still circulating around an upper low that's moving off to the east across northern Mexico. Wind advisories in parts of New Mexico and West Texas today. Some winter weather advisories there as well. And the big story, winter storm warnings, wind advisories, gale warnings, storm warnings, blizzard warnings. Parts of the Northeast. Eastern Maine will be especially hard hit. That's where the blizzard warnings exist. An additional 12 to 18 inches of snow in places like Bangor and Eastport today. And you combine that with winds of 50 to 60 miles per hour. Zero visibility up there, so just not a good day to be out and about in much of New England, but especially in parts of Maine. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe storms today in parts of the Rio Grande and southern central Texas. We do have a small risk of thunder here in southern Arizona that we'll talk about as we take a look at the models and see what's happening. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. That upper low that had been affecting us this weekend will be shifting off to the east over southern New Mexico this afternoon. Some wraparound moisture, a little instability still in the atmosphere, especially with the cooler air aloft. And less cloud cover today should help to touch off isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm in central and eastern Arizona this afternoon. I don't think the thunder risk is all that great, quite candidly, but it is still possible. Here's the NAM this afternoon at 5 o'clock. Not all that exciting here. Maybe a few showers in northern Maricopa County. And I guess our chance of rain here in the valley technically isn't zero. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies today. High temperatures getting back into the mid-70s. Tonight, we're partly cloudy. We're very mild. Lows in the 50s to near 60. Tomorrow, another little piece of energy will wrap around the backside of this low. And there is a small chance of a shower here in the valley. But once again, I don't think it's a particularly good chance. And even if you do see rain, it's not going to be much of anything substantial at all. A few hundredths of an inch at most. Partly cloudy skies, highs in the mid-70s. This is the NAM to verify all that tomorrow at noon. And again, a few showers maybe in southern Arizona. But really, again, nothing to get all that excited about. Here's Wednesday. High pressure starting to build back in. Temperatures rebounding to the mid and upper 70s. The sky mostly sunny. We're mostly sunny on Thursday, maybe a few clouds in the afternoon. Highs upper 70s to near 80. And then here comes Friday and a deep surface low west of the Bay Area. Southerly to southwesterly flow out ahead of that. Plenty of clouds coming in here. Some rain in the Southern California deserts up toward Las Vegas. Western and northern Arizona. A small chance of rain in here on Friday. High temps falling back to the low and middle 70s. Then Saturday morning, see that trough getting closer, going negative tilt as it does. And we're going to see some rain starting to encroach on our area. I think the rain holds off until later in the day on Saturday. Here's Saturday afternoon. And we see widespread rain across southwest and south central Arizona. Good diffluent flow aloft. Plenty of cold air coming in aloft. The instability profile coming in. So we'll have a chance of thunderstorms. And this has the makings of a good heavy rain event. Good southwesterly upslope flow, so the mountains north and east of Phoenix could get a good soaking. This will be a colder system than the one that came through here this past weekend. Obviously, a lot more subtropical moisture will be drawn in with this feature as well. So you put it all together, and it could be a good rain event. Now, how much rain? That's still a little bit up in the air. The models, many of them still portraying anywhere from a half inch to an inch of rain with this feature. Obviously, more rain north and east of Phoenix, snow for the high country, Flagstaff, the Grand Canyon, etc. Then on Sunday, still scattered to numerous showers as this trough lingers around and areas of low pressure rotate on through here. High temperatures Saturday should fall back into the mid-60s, low to mid-60s on Sunday, cloudy skies, good bed of rain. And the details will all come together as we head through the week, so stay tuned for all of that. Then this is a week from today, Monday, February 20th, and a weak ridge of high pressure starting to build back in here. That trough moves off to the east into the southern plains. Temperatures would rebound quite a bit back toward the low and middle 70s. This is Tuesday, the 21st, and we see another trough heading our way. I think most of this energy stays to the north. Temperatures low to mid 70s, and then this is the end of the forecast period. Wednesday, February 22nd, another low off the Pacific Northwest coast, and that looks to be heading our way, especially with a big ridge behind it, so that may help this low to dig further to the south. We'll ultimately have to see, but for the moment, that looks like a zonal flow and some clouds, but overall dry conditions. Temperatures near seasonal normals, low to mid 70s. And temperatures coming off the European ensemble will be comfortable this week. Temperatures in the 70s, and then cool off big time this weekend, and then maybe a recovery in temperatures next week. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great Monday.